It's summer already. Let's celebrate it in style. Take all your clothes off and put on all your jewelry. Come and see BeadsTennis summer collection. Here we have a beautiful lacy bracelet with bicones and silver line seed beads in the color of the clear sky. Then here we have a white bracelet with pearls in lush summer colors. A beautiful combination of bicones and pearl to create a nice contrast with your tan skin. A beautiful slim bracelet bringing together beautiful large pearls with rainbow bicones. Here we have some mother of pearl square beads creating a very dimensional bracelet design. And now we have what I call a very traditional tennis bracelet made with sun color seed beads and purple hematite cubes. Absolutely elegant. Here another beautiful tennis bracelet made with green Aventurine gemstones. I really like to integrate the gemstones in my beaded designs. And here another beautiful tennis bracelet made with red coral gemstones. And now here we have the necklace collection that presents mainly the mother of pearl large pendants integrated in delicate and still strong beaded ropes. Light and elegant, these are the two words to define this collection. And another word, obviously, sparkle, when it's possible, as much as possible, like in this sea blue necklace made with bicones. You can find all these designs on my online shop, link in the description below. Thank you for watching. Enjoy this summer. Ciao, ciao.